Curb appeal. Did I say that right? When it comes to curb appeal, there are some little simple things that the pros know that you might not know that are gonna make all the difference in the world. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 beautiful pro tips that are gonna save you time, money, and make your house look awesome. Let's go. So I'm a visual guy. I like to look at stuff to see what's going on. So picture number 1, right here, what we've got is a classic landscaped house that everybody has seen with overgrown shrubs, evergreens. It's kind of bland and boring. Here's our simplistic tip is take all that stuff out and just line with something as simple as ornamental grasses. It's gonna make it feel more modern. It's gonna open up the space. And as you see here, this house got jazzed up a little bit with even putting some shutters on there, fresh coat of paint. It can completely transform the front of a house. So what we're gonna take from this picture is take everything out, simplify the landscaping, update your hardware, say your shutters, maybe it's the door, windows, whatever it is, and then make sure that you can actually see the house and you're good to go. Picture number 2, this is super simple. All I want you to look at here is the hanging planters. Sometimes just something as simple as hanging some planters and putting pops of color on the front can really draw your eye to a porch. That's it. Picture number 3, this is a super easy one. You're basically taking what they do with pool equipment and throwing it in your front yard. Everybody hates utility boxes, those big, green, nasty electrical boxes or whatever they are. Sometimes you can get those hollowed out boulders and hide them that way, but sometimes these things are too big. It look ridiculous to have a 3-foot boulder in the middle of your yard. So what you can do is take that pool concept where you face in front of it and then you jazz it up with, here's my address. You can do all kinds of really cool stuff here, create a little bed around it, throw in some color, you're good to go. But this is a really simple, easy way to hide utilities. Picture number 4, this is beautiful. I love, love, love this example. It just screams how easy it can be to make a house look completely different for not that much money. So let's dive into this one. What essentially we're doing is opening up the porch, putting the stairs coming down, and then just putting some nice hardscaping in front of the porch. Instead of that typical concrete sidewalk, putting some nice steppers in there, which is a really modern contemporary look. You can put some Mexican beach pebbles in between it, jazz it up, and just simplify the landscaping. Beautiful. And the final picture, picture number 5, this is like the full enchilada. You've got an outdated home, a beautiful big home, but it's just crowded. So there's a lot going on here. Let's jump right into it. Cleaning up the landscaping, getting it out of there, painting the house, updating the windows, updating the door, and updating the landscaping so that it's a little bit more simplistic and not as overgrown. This is obviously a pretty expensive example. We're talking about doing a lot, but you know what? To completely transform the front of a house, to put, say, 20 grand, well, with those windows, that door, that looks pretty nice. Say 30 to 35 grand, this completely transformed this house. If you were to sell this house, it'd go in 2 seconds. If you take picture number 1, its original state, you might have a little trouble, but picture number 2, it's gone. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you smash the like button, help people find it so they can get these pro tips to help them with selling their house or putting curb appeal in. And if you wanna watch a couple more, go watch this one.